everyone. We all know the benefits of meditation for adults, but should kids really meditate? What are the benefits of meditation for kids? I'm Darshan from Bodhi Shishu and I'm going to be answering these very important questions in this video. But before we get into that, please make sure you subscribe to our channel Bodhi Shishu for similar updates. Yes, meditation has innumerable benefits for kids. Meditation is generally looked upon as an activity that needs to be practiced when one feels sad or depressed. Now it is looked upon as an activity again that has found its way into the corporate and even schools to reduce stress. Rarely someone looks at it as a practice which should form a part of our daily routine. In order to understand the benefits of meditation for kids, let's imagine our minds to be a piece of furniture that has not been dusted for years. What do you think happens to that piece of furniture? It forms layers and layers of dust. And underneath those layers of dust lie the original qualities of that piece of furniture, its color, its texture, etc., which we cannot see anymore. Without meditation, our minds are the same piece of furniture which has not been cleaned for years. Meditation helps us remove these layers of dust from our mind. It helps us remember who we were when we were born. But this, of course, takes time. With children, these layers are not yet formed. Meditation helps them create happy and fulfilled lives at an early age. Now, let's delve into the 8 most important benefits of meditation for kids. Meditation helps kids reduce stress. The obvious yet very important benefit for children is that meditation helps reduce stress. Kids are not only expected to perform well academically, but also show excellence in various activities like sports. As soon as they wake up in the morning, they run from one thing to the next without really thinking and analyzing what they're doing. They don't have time to connect with themselves and utilize the power they were born with. Soon the stress takes over so much that they find themselves running aimlessly. A 10-minute meditation helps them connect with themselves, realize their potential, and release the stress to achieve their goals effortlessly. Meditation helps control anxiety. High levels of stress may lead to anxiety. Anxiety is a result of extreme pressure to perform well in exams or sports or any other activity, and the child not being able to cope with it. This occurs when children are doubtful of themselves and their ability to achieve what they want. They have lost touch with their inner beings. Meditation helps children get in touch with their inner beings, thereby making them more secure and confident of themselves and their abilities. This reduces anxiety, and in a relaxed state of mind, they naturally perform well. Meditation helps promote emotional health. When a child is under extreme stress and anxiety, it is natural for her to undergo an emotional turmoil. Meditation helps children regulate their emotions by having a calming effect on them. Their behavior becomes more response-based than reaction-based. Meditation helps children have a positive outlook. The environment children are faced with now, they have no option but to be sly and manipulative in order to survive. They look at every good situation and good thing that happens to them with doubt. Meditation helps them build their self-worth, and with that, they are able to accept the good in themselves and in others. With a positive outlook, they create a happy life for themselves and for those around them. They learn to look at every situation with positivity. Meditation helps kids be more responsible. With meditation, children get in touch with themselves and who they truly are. They are able to take more responsibility for their actions and situations. They stop blaming those around them for things that happen to them. The kids find their happiness and contentment within themselves, thereby freeing others for being responsible for how they feel. They take charge of their own happiness and thus their life. Meditation helps lengthen their attention span. When children are initiated into meditation, given their nature, it is obvious that they can quieten their minds for maybe as little as 1 or 2 minutes. But as they practice meditation regularly, they can sit for longer. This increases their attention span and focusing capacity. With an increased attention span, Children perform well academically and otherwise. They cannot be distracted easily. Meditation helps kids develop their heart center. With proper guided meditation, it has been found that children develop positive emotions like compassion, love, and kindness. They are more empathetic to people around them. Meditation teaches them to love themselves and accept themselves as a whole. This has great benefits for themselves as well as the society. Meditation helps promote happiness. The ultimate goal of life is to be happy. Everything we do is oriented towards the pursuit of happiness. For example, for children, scoring well would imply more happiness. But we often externalize our happiness, putting the onus on some person, event, or achievement. With meditation, children can be taught that happiness is within them. They can learn to be happy first, and everything else follows. So, these are some of the benefits of meditation for kids. It does not need any specific equipment or facility to practice. It can literally be done anywhere. I truly hope this video helps kids find their center and happiness. If you found this video to be helpful, please remember to like and share. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below. Do remember to subscribe to our channel Bodhi Shishu if you haven't already done so. Thank you for watching.